Welcome to Bird English. Sushmita Sen, 46 years old beauty now in the news. Still she is very hot and beautiful with her perfect body. Mr. Lalit Modi, who is on vacation for doing a crime of money laundering in IPL cricket, has announced that he is in relationship with Sushmita Sen. He has revealed a photo of them in Twitter. It was blasted like anything in the social media. Lalit Modi is in London now, as cases are going on here in India against him. He has earned thousands of crores and taken so much of amount from the banks as loan. He has not repaid the loans and even not paid tax for the transactions done by him. Enforcement department has registered cases against him. Sushmita Sen was Miss Universe in 1994. Later on, she has entered movie field and acted films in different languages. She was settled in Bollywood with good number of films. She has got applauses for her acting in Bollywood. Particularly, she is 1.71 foot height, which made her looks very special. And moreover, she has maintained and still maintaining her physique in a very fit manner. She had live-in relationship with Anil Ambani once upon a time, and she has got a luxury apartment from him. Later on, she has adopted children and announced that she was not interested in marriage. In the recent, she had live-in relationship with Rohman Shaw, who is 15 years younger than her. She was supposed to marry him, but for unknown reason, she had break up with Rohman also. This was happened just months ago. Now, Mr. Lalit Modi has revealed that he is in relationship with Sushmita Sen. First, he has informed that he is going to marry her, but later on tweeted that he is in dating with her but not marrying. Lalit Modi is 58 years old. Rather than the age, Lalit Modi is a richest man despite the cases registered against him. But Sushmita Sen has tweeted a photo with her adopted children, saying that she is happy with them. It means she is not interested in marriage now. What about relationship? Obviously, it will continue till they get bored.